Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another cleaning product review. Today we're having a look at the OzKleen Carpet Power Carpet Cleaner. This is how it comes. I actually bought this at Aldi and I think it was only about $4 or $5 quite some time ago, and I've never really used it. It's just been sitting in my detailing trolley doing nothing. But you can buy these for $8, I believe, at Coles. I'll put it up on the screen here just so you can see where you can get this product from, because Aldi only sells these sometimes. They don't sell these all the time. Now, the dog got into my daughter's car and got into the back seat of the car while he was filthy. As you can see here, the car looks an absolute mess, and this back seat was immaculate. It was spotless. I don't think anyone has even ever sat in this back seat, and this is what it looks like now. So my daughter actually went through my detailing trolley and found this Carpet Power Cleaner, and here she is actually using it on the seat, and it seems to be working really well. It seems to be lifting the dirt out. She's even using the attached brush that's attached to the spray nozzle to agitate the dirt, and then you just wipe it over with a clean cloth, and it seems to be doing the job quite well. It is now the next day. We've left the car overnight to dry the seat out so that the cleaner can actually dry, and this is what the seat looks like. It's back to its original self. Everything is clean and spotless. She was very happy with the outcome, and so am I. Now, as you just saw, this stuff works really well for $8. And I think, like I said, I paid less than that for it. If you go to one of the auto stores and buy a specific car upholstery cleaner in a brand name, you can be paying $20, $30, $40 for a bottle equivalent to this. And I don't think the $40 one will work any better than what this did. We need to save money where we can. Not everyone can go out and spend $30 or $40 on some car upholstery cleaner. And even if you can afford it, do you want to spend it when you can be spending $8 to get the same job done, or maybe even get the job done better? You'd be crazy spending the extra money, because you could be buying 3 or 4 bottles of this stuff here for one bottle of the auto upholstery cleaner stuff that you buy in the auto shops. I love this stuff. It also mentions on here that it is chlorine free, bleach free and ammonia free. So that should put your mind at ease that it's not going to damage or bleach your interior cloth material on your seats or whatever else you might be cleaning. Now, if you've had any experience using this stuff, do me a favour, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Also, let me know what interior cleaner you use in your car. I'm not talking about protectant, I'm talking about upholstery cleaner. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.